paragraph that they had sent me on it. But I always figure that, because I'm using Pampers.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
What's
I said, what
between
is
your
your
home?
top priority where, of course, at home for your baby? What is your top priority there?
No, there's no, it's undebatable that your baby is priority number one, even if your house is falling apart,
Okay.
you know. But apart from that, I think what's important is to set yourself correct
Okay.
when you have a little one. Though it's not easy when it's, 3 months old, you're still figuring it all out. But thankfully, Rian has been a kid that's not been up the entire night and stuff
Wow.
like that. Yeah, which has been great, which I think has made me a happier mother. Yeah.
Yes, knock
Touch
on
all
wood.
the wood in the world. Yeah. But yeah, I think once you're a happy mom, you can handle your priorities just perfectly. And I think that's extremely important. We get so caught up in the moment sometimes as mothers,
True.
because you're in the room 24/7, you're seeing a baby cry most of the time or sleep the rest of the time. And that isn't, what your life was always
Absolutely.
before.
Absolutely.
So it's nice to just step out of the room, have a cup of coffee, relax, and then go back again. It just makes you a better mother because then you can react better. You can cheer your baby a little more.
No, it does
Yeah.
get a little overwhelming.
Yeah, it
most
does.
definitely.
It does.
Tell me one thing, till this very minute, when I got onto this stage and, I was briefed by the Pampers
Yeah.
team outside, and then I heard Ajita and Dr. Shah talk about the fact that we as mothers actually don't ever think of checking if our baby's Pampers are dry on the inside.
True, yeah.
I think you just tend to take it for granted that, if the baby has got a diaper on, then
it's
must be
fine.
comfortable.
Yeah.
I have actually never
Checked
thought
it.
to think that, just because the diaper is looking fine from the outside doesn't mean that it's soiled on the inside or it's making my baby uncomfortable. Has that happened to you and Rian? Or
Actually, even I haven't given it that much of a thought till recently when I got the Pampers entire, lines down or paragraph that they had sent me on it. But I always figure that, because I'm using Pampers, okay, fine, it's probably, easy.
No, which is
Yeah.
great because
Yeah.
honestly the brand is
Is
like
like
that.
that,
It
yeah.
leaves you not having to worry about your child.
Yeah, and the good part was that till date, I haven't seen Rian have a diaper rash, which probably is because of the thought that, the diaper has given when they were in production.
Yeah.
It's probably a lot to do with that. And yeah, I mean, now coming to think of it, that it's dry on the inside, I'm going to go right back and check my baby's diaper.
Yeah. Okay. I think we pretty much know what motherhood is like for all of
Yeah.
us. I think, as Indians, हम सबको proof की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है कि भाई दिखाओ तो मानेंगे.
Yeah.
So why don't we do a little demonstration and just show the members of the press how new Pamper pants are superior to competitive brands and how they actually work towards keeping our babies dry on the inside.
Super.
Yeah? But Janelia, what would you like to say about this?
Now I figure why Rian is sleeping so well. No, I definitely think I didn't realize that. I would also check it on the outside. I didn't realize that you probably have to check the inside to see how wet it is as well.
True.
But now I know. I mean, and honestly, I've never really realized that it's that wet either. Though I have touched it, I've probably not given it that much thought. But
True.
yeah, it's great that there's something like this because obviously sleeping well means a happy baby, and sleeping well means that the mother gets quite a bit of sleep as well.
Herself,
Yeah.
yes. So I think what we would like to end this afternoon with is a little tip from you for
All around, and it's nice. I mean, there's some things that you don't know till you hear enough of advice, but there's a lot of unwanted advice as well. So I just think to all new mom, just enjoy your baby. I mean, it's great. I love it. I love being there to experience the whole thing, to experience every moment, in fact. And I'm sure each mom will feel that way when they have the little baby. In fact, I was just talking to the doctor, and she was like, no matter how much you're being told, when you really experience it is what is the experience.
Experience is a very good teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much to both of you. We now open the Q&A to the press.